Hey guys, this is Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team coming live today from Buford, Georgia. We have a coming soon listing here. This is going to be under $280,000. It's actually got a finished basement, so it's a two-story with a finished basement, about 3,500 square feet, under $280,000 in the beautiful city of Buford, Georgia. If you have a house to sell and you need to move up to this house, give us a call. We can buy your house. 678-381-8045. Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team, 678-381-8045. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 4 full baths with a finished basement, $280,000 and below. This house can be yours with about $9,000 down. Give us a call, 678-381-8045.